Have you ever been in chem, been in a depression, cause you couldn't figure how to do a simple question? Let's tell you about the situation, about a little something called reduction oxidation.
Now first things first, when we oxidate, we must assign each species its oxidation state. Elements in standard state all get a zero. Know that and you good fella, just like De Niro. Oxygenating compounds usually -2, except for in peroxides and OF2. Hydrogen in compounds is usually +1, but -1 on hydrates, we ain't quite done. Polymonatomics take their ion charge. Atomic size don't matter, they can be small or large. The sum of oxidation numbers in a natural compound has got to equal 0, big, fat, and round. Now if you wonder what this information's use is, it's to tell what oxidizes and reduces. Electron loss is called oxidation, reduction is a gain. It's a simple explanation.
You got what I need. An electron to lend, an electron to lend. Oh, maybe 2, possibly 3. In reduction charge ascends, oxidation charge ascends.
Now the next step is writing your half reactions, demonstrating your electron interactions, then balance your atoms disregarding O and H. Those have to wait until you know the pH.
Once all of these atoms are equal on both sides, O and H must be dealt with, and now you decide, is this basic or is it acidic? And this is where things start to get scientific. In both types of reactions, balance using H+. That's an acid that'll burn like if you mess with dust. But watch it when you're using a basic solution, cause right here there might be a little confusion. 4 of these reactions have to add OH-, neutralize the hydrogen, we STP's finest. Hydrogen and hydroxide make H2O, which still ain't as wet as its lyrical flow. Next you also have to balance your electrons, what goes in must come out, and there ain't no exceptions. Between the 2 reactions, find your lowest common multiple, multiply the opposite reaction in full. Combine your 2 reactions into 1, and here's the last step of redoxidation. Cancel out whatever is present on both sides, and if you get the answer wrong, at least say you tried.
You got what I need. An electron to lend, an electron to lend, or maybe 2, possibly 3. In reduction, charge descends, oxidation, charge ascends.
Oh baby, I was so naive when I signed up to take chem. I just want this class to end.
Now if you think that all takes too long, there's a little shortcut we'll explain in song. You still gotta assign your oxidation numbers, those are so easy, like us hitting jumpers. Draw 2 arrows, each of them touching an atom doing oxidation, no reduction. Write the difference of electrons between them and multiply the other is the rule of thumb. Now following the rules that we stated above, try to balance O and H, it's a labor of love. But if you use this method, you gotta watch out, it doesn't work for batteries, but don't you pout.
You can still use half reactions, no more time consuming. When the ladies hear this song, they gonna be swooning. Now you know how to oxidize and reduce. The changes of electrons you can now deduce. So please listen to this message that we say. Now go out and get dancing, cause it's almost Friday.